ever gotten stain on your skin after staining a wood project and you can't get it off no matter how hard you try? Well, this little solution will help you out here. What you do is you just take regular vegetable oil and apply liberally wherever the stain is. And you'll notice that the vegetable oil is breaking down the min-wax stain. I haven't tried this for any other varieties, but it seems to work for min-wax. This also works for pine sap that you get from pine trees on your skin. Kind of an old trick I learned growing up on a farm. As you can see, as you work it in, it dissolves the stain. And then you just apply dish detergent to your skin to dissolve the oil. And wash it all off. No more stain. Like I said, this works when the kids get into pine trees and pine sap and they get pine sap all over them. Works the same way. Vegetable oil, then dish detergent to dissolve it. You may have to do it a couple times. But I hope this helps you out.